Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a quick trade recap on my GBP/USD sell from 11:15 yesterday, and today is the 5th of July, 2022. So this was the 4th of July in the night at 23:15. Excuse me. Today I got a cold, so this my voice might sound kind of crazy. Excuse me. So let's see. Starting off with the US dollar. Let me try and make this as big as possible. All right. So we got the central floor pivots yesterday. We were holding above the central floor pivots. This is the central floor pivots right there. Let me pull out the Epic pen. All right, so we got the central floor pivots right there. The top central pivot is the red, the pivot is the blue, and the dark green is the bottom central pivot. Excuse me, y'all. And let's see, I took this trade at around 23:15, which is right here. Let's see, let's make this big. Right, so I was seeing that we were holding above the top central pivot, and we that's when I entered the GBP/USD sell trade, because I was anticipating the pop-up on the US dollar, right? And as you can see, we're in kind of like I guess you could call it like a kind of ranging congestion, but it's bullish, you know what I mean? Because we're coming from the bottom here, breaking out of that range, then we're up creating this range up here, and then we broke out of that range, this range right here. Right, so we had some nice bullish action on the US dollar today. So I guess during the night we popped up at the London session and we just took off, you know. I was already asleep, so we had a nice bullish run today. Let's see, pull this out. From the London session, we went all the way up today. And now we're just getting some consolidation, some sideways movement. And it's looking like it might even break out higher, but who knows? This is Forex, so you're probably going to get some retracement, I guess, back down to R4. This is the R4 level right there. Let me just hold on. And this is floor pivots I'm talking about right now. Right, so you see that's the floor pivot R4. That's a very high resistance level. So usually price doesn't even get up to R4, but this was a nice big bullish run, you know. And let's look at the Camarillas here a little bit. And also why I thought we were gonna break out is because we had this inside value day on the Camarillas. So as you can see, R3 was here on Friday, and S3 was over here, and then we had that push up, right? And R3 pushed down. So they call this an inside value day. And when you get this sideways kind of movement in an inside value day, you're anticipating a breakout, right? So that's the trade I took. So let's go to GBP/USD. Hold on. All right, so let's go to where I entered. Let's see, let's look at the floor pivot here and see, right. Excuse me, y'all. And as you can see, we were struggling to break above the floor pivots, right? So this is the central floor pivots right there, the green, the blue, which is the pivot, and the red right here. So let's see where I entered the trade right here. Let me make that bigger. And let me throw on the Camarillas as well. So let's talk about, right, so we have the same inside value there on the Camarillas right here. See, we push down, right, and S3 was right here and we pushed up. Same congestion, consolidation, and then the breakout lower. So let's see, entered the trade here at 2300 at 1.21056. Let's see, let me circle that, make sure you all could see that right there, right? And let's see what time I woke up this morning. I think I woke up around 6:30, and I saw this kind of price action, this kind of reversal candle happening. So I just exited the trade right here at 1.20363, and this down here was like a little scalp during the day while I was trading stocks and stuff. At 9:45 I took this short right here at 1.19581 and closed out at 1.19555. I just didn't like this bullish action right here, you know. Eventually we got like this move lower, but it's really extended, you know, because we're past the floor pivot S4, which is right here. And again, usually price doesn't really get that far on a usual day, but I guess today is a kind of a trend day. So we had this nice movement down, you know. So yeah, we kind of I guess I don't know, maybe we're consolidating, but it looks like it looks like we're gonna probably break lower a little bit. It doesn't really look like bottoming action right here. The volume isn't that, I don't think it's that strong, but with these volatility indicators right here, these are my volatility indicators. When that pops up on a candle, you usually get like that sideways movement. So maybe it'll drop some more today, or maybe that's the move for today, you know. Alright y'all, it's your boy King Yedeya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.